puzzle. This riddle is said to have been invented by Albert Einstein in the late 19th century. Also, it's said that 98% of the world's population can't solve it. Here's the given by Einstein logic puzzle. It said, Albert Einstein once posed a brain teaser that he predicted only 2% of the world's population would be able to solve. Here's the riddle. 5 houses painted 5 different colors stand in a row. One person of a different nationality lives in each house. The 5 homeowners all drink some type of beverage, smoke a certain cigar brand, and have a certain kind of pet. But none of the owners drink the same beverage, smoke the same type of cigar, or have same pet. So let's try to solve it first. It can be challenging, but I guarantee it's worth it. Give up? No problem. Just follow the reasoning on how to solve the zebra puzzle. Let's start by going at the obvious clues. First, the man living in the Century house drinks milk. Second, the Norwegian lives in the first house. The key to solving the riddle is to make a grid and start filling in what you know for sure about each house. Once you have those 2 squares filled in, you can use logic to fill in the rest. For example, clue 14 says that the Norwegian lives next to the blue house, since we already know the Norwegian lives in the first. Next, we're looking at these 2 clues. The green house is next to the white house. On the left, the owner of the greenhouse drinks coffee. Since the greenhouse is on the left of the white house, it can be the first house, as the house right next of it is blue. Obviously, can't be the second house because it's blue, and for sure can't be the last one. We can see that it also can't be the house of the middle because the gentleman who lives there likes to drink milk. Check out this clue. The Brit lives in the red house. It's clear that the Brit doesn't live in the first house. The Norwegian lives there. And the only other house that can be read in the middle one. So the Brit lives there.
Let's focus on this clue. The man who smokes blends has a neighbor who drinks water. Since the only neighbor of the gentleman who drinks water live in the house number 2. The person in the second house smokes blends. Right after filling this one, we see that this other clue can be used. The man who smokes Blue Master drinks beer.
Now, you can fill these tribal clues on house number 1 and 2. The owner of the yellow house,
Since they like to smoke Dunhill and blends respectively, also he can't live in the 3rd and 4th houses, as their owners like to drink milk and coffee. Therefore, the gentleman on the house number 5 drinks beer and smokes Blue Master.
the answer is the German owns the fish.